car so much fun. With an exhaust, super fun. Ah, I got the freaking yellow. I try to go fast, but sometimes I just can't. Like trying to get off the clutch fast and go to first gear and then press the gas, but I can't. Like I'm not that good. All right, we're good. We're actually like on the flat surface. Yo, holy shit. I kind of got scared a little bit, bruh. Yo. All right, we're here, y'all. So let's go to Home Depot, get this fire extinguisher. I'm so excited. So I can put it right here. Fire extinguishers, we got like right here, perfect. This is what I'm getting. So I need this so when I tune my car. So I was thinking to get silver, but if I wrap it, it's probably not gonna like make sense to get silver. I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna go with red because white will probably get dirty. And I am looking for the ABC. Oh, I'm just looking for the rechargeable one. The rechargeable?
Oh.
Do you guys have it?
I don't believe we have.
No.
No. You have an inspection or something going on?
No, it's actually for my car.
Oh, for the car. No, understood. So are you're hitting that? You're putting nitrous in it, or what's going on?
No, I'm tuning it. I'm tuning it, so you know, I want to make sure when like fire comes out from the rear. Going to AutoZone. Let's go get some oil, filter, see if they have the fire extinguisher, which I doubt it. Oh yeah, I wanted to get some chapstick, and every time I try to get chapstick, it's just like the light changes. Let's go. Can I do it? Okay, that side is green. Let's go. It's right here. All right, good. Ah, got it. Ah, perfect. All right, we're here in AutoZone, so let's go. I kind of low-key don't even want to put my coat on. We're actually gonna get a bigger bottle of this. The oil's over there. All right, let's make sure we get the same one. Dun dun dun. Where is it? Right here, 5W30. Damn, and I got nails on. Kind of difficult. All right, so I'm good because I have little one of this, so we could pour half of whatever I have left. But here it is. Should I get it? Nah, think I'm good. Wait a minute. This says advanced. This is advanced protection. Is it the same thing? Just let's check if they have some fire extinguishers here, which I doubt it. I doubt it here. They'll have it. But here. No. Excuse me. I'm trying to find a filter for a Nissan 370.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. You too. All right, bag secure. Help! I need some oil. Here you go. You owe me 60 bucks. Nice and snug. Let's go. Done. All right, it's officially nighttime, so we're gonna go to Harbor Freight. I don't think I'm gonna make it to my PO box. We made it to our next destination. Fire extinguisher, let's go. Now, where will that be? I have no idea. Where would that be? Hello. Do you guys have fire extinguishers here?
Fire extinguishers, they're gonna be over here. What's up, man?
Perfect.
If you go straight down on two, you can't miss them.
Okay, thank you. Aisle 2. Hello.
Can I help you find anything today?
I was just looking for the fire extinguishers.
Oh, straight ahead.
Yep, thank you. Straight ahead. Oh, just this little portion, that's crazy. This is exactly what I need. I think it is. ABC right here. If you guys don't know, ABC right here. Is this rechargeable? Dun 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 dun.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, thank you. So they have white and they have red. We're gonna get red. Rechargeable. This is exactly what I needed. I want it. I need it. Gotta have it. Let's go pay for it. Woohoo!
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah, my little POV.
What's the phone number? 2665. If you spend $5 more, you get a free bucket.
No, it's okay.
Like Instagram or TikTok, what do you do?
What?
What do you upload them to?
Oh,
Like
YouTube.
Instagram?
YouTube, yep.
I'll be watching a lot of the YouTube stories, the one in the middle or whatever.
Oh, like the shorts?
Yeah, those.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. You too. Second bag secured. You owe me $30. Come on. We good. some food.